Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ladder stabilizers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Toriexon Ladder Extender Pro Stabilizer. The Toriexon Ladder Extender is designed to give you precise control over your ladder height, adjusting in small increments to fit steps between 10.2 and 16.5. This means you can safely level your ladder on uneven surfaces. Its non-slip feet and platform help keep the ladder stable and secure, so you can work confidently without worrying about slipping. The stabilizer is built from strong steel with a protective coating, ensuring it lasts through heavy use and resists rust. Plus, it works with many ladder types, including extension and telescopic ladders, making it a versatile tool for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lockjaw Roof Ladder Stabilizer Hook. The Lockjaw Ladder Stabilizer offers quick and secure ladder attachment, allowing you to fix your ladder in place within seconds using just one hand. This means no more worrying about your ladder wobbling while you're on the roof. Designed with professional-grade safety, it's trusted by firefighters and utility workers, giving you reliable support whether you're a homeowner or a roofer. Made from strong materials like glass-reinforced nylon and steel, it's built to last through tough daily use. Plus, the rubber pads grip your gutter firmly without causing damage, keeping both your ladder and gutters safe as you work. At number 3, we have the Yayisum Ladder Stabilizer. Yayisum Stabilizer is a heavy-duty steel ladder roof hook with a wall extension accessory designed to enhance stability and safety when working on elevated surfaces. The product comes with easy-to-follow instructions for quick installation and removal. Its adjustable design fits most aluminum and fiberglass ladders, providing reliable support in various construction tasks. The ladder stabilizer features non-marring rubber end caps to prevent slipping and protect surfaces. Additionally, the dual-fixed structure ensures enhanced stability compared to similar products. With a 12-month warranty, Yayisum Stabilizer offers peace of mind for users working at heights. At number 2, we have the Xtenda-Leg Ladder Leveler Pair. The Xtenda-Leg Ladder Leveler is a handy accessory that enhances ladder safety and stability. It meets OSHA safety standards, so you can trust it to provide a secure setup at your work site. Its adjustable design allows you to customize the height, making it ideal for uneven ground or stairs, giving you flexibility during use. The rubber feet offer excellent grip, preventing slipping and keeping your ladder steady while you work. Plus, it's easy to install, which means you can quickly get your ladder ready for safe and stable use wherever you need it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Elesude Ladder Leveler Tool. The Elesude Ladder Stabilizer offers exceptional safety and stability for your ladder setup. Its strong construction supports up to 500 lbs, allowing you to work confidently while painting or performing tasks at height. The unique triangle design not only keeps your ladder steady on stairs, but also provides storage space for your tools. You'll appreciate the quick setup, as this tool requires no installation, making it perfect for both home improvement projects and professional use. Made from durable materials, it promises long-lasting performance and ease of use, giving you peace of mind while you work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.